ghost train. And every year on the date of the accident, it runs again, plunging into the gap, shrieking like a lost soul. Percy, what are you talking about? The ghost train. Driver saw it last night. Where? Asked Thomas and Toby together. He didn't say, but it must have been on our line. He says ghost trains run as a warning to others. Oh, he went on, it makes my wheels wobble to think of it. Pooh, said Thomas. You're just a silly little engine, Percy. I'm not scared. Thomas didn't believe in your ghost, said Percy next morning. His driver laughed. Neither do I. It was a pretend ghost on television. Percy was disappointed, but he was too busy all day with his stone trucks to think about ghosts. That evening he came back, light engine, from the harbour. He liked running at night. He coasted along without effort, the rails humming cheerfully under his wheels, and signal lights changing to green at his approach. He always knew just where he was, even in the dark. Crow's Farm Crossing, he chunted happily. We shan't be long now. Thomas was being oiled up for his evening train when Toby hurried in, saying, Percy's had an accident. Poor engine, said Thomas. Botheration. That means I'll be late. They've cleared the line for you, Toby went on. But there's something worse. Out with it, Toby, Thomas interrupted. I can't wait all evening. I've just seen something, said Toby in a shaky voice. It looked like Percy's ghost. It said it was coming here to warn us. Pooh, who cares? Don't be frightened, Toby. I'll take care of you. Let me in, said in a spooky voice. No, no, answered Toby, not by the smoke of my chimney, chim. I'll chaff and I'll puff, and I'll break your door in, oh! Whoa, dear, exclaimed Thomas. It's getting late. I'd no idea. I must find Annie and Clarabel. He hurried out the other way. But Thomas never returned.